And I guess now looking at UX as really a strategic differentiator in the robotics industry. Kind of simplicity maybe isn't about fewer features. It's finding that frictionless access maybe to the right functionality at the right moment. And that's maybe something that we can take away from that project and also apply to future projects, and anyone can apply to their projects as we sort of move into robotics. And I guess now looking at UX as really a strategic differentiator in the robotics industry.
They replaced the code-based programming with actual easy graphical user interfaces. And they created an entirely new market with these collaborative robots, basically a 6-month ROI. And, UX focused firms in general just achieve a 20 to 80% improvements in performance metrics versus technically superior competitors.
I mean, the savings now, they're massive, and it just shows like the right UX can make such a difference. But they realized just through UX improvements, an 80% reduction in setup time. I mean, that's huge. So, users are able to configure their robots by dragging almost these predefined blocks and elements instead of writing any code, and just also having sort of cloud access to these workflows that can be just built, shared, and edited remotely. I mean, that is amazing saving. They created this operating system called Forge OS, and they literally had a 1 hour learning curve. So just enabling pretty much like shop floor operators to program robots. And it was really done with a no code, almost similar, I guess, to the ABB, but a kind of no code task canvas interface. And the amazing thing about that is there's sort of one interface. Through standardization, they made it work across Yasukawa, ABB, it's FANUC, and lots of others, just solving this whole sort of fragmented ecosystem problem. Pretty
Yeah, that's
impressive
pretty
what's being done
amazing.
with good UX.
Training and integration, not hardware, are basically the biggest barriers to adoption.